Hello everyone, I am Alamin Hossain. I am 22 years old. I completed my Dakhil with a GPA 4.88 out of 5. Then I completed my Alim with a GPA 4.71 out of 5. Currently, I am a student at Daffodil International University, Department of Journalism, Media and Communication. I have been always interested in working in groups. So, I am an active and efficient member of several clubs, such as Communication Club, Photography Society, Cultural Club, Saints Together Club. My university, Deafril International University, is equipped with advanced technology and I was trained by Google certified professionals in the digital classroom system. I am multilingual. I speak English, Bangla, and Urdu. I have excellent presentation skill and am also a good team member. My hobbies include traveling, reading books, gardening, and driving. I also have IT skills such as proficiency in Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, video editing, and Photoshop. I aim to become a good person and build a successful career in media sector. Thank you for watching video resume.